August 8th is the 6th year of the Keith A. Ferguson Memorial Run Walk in New York City. On that day, Keith Ferguson would have been 44 years old. Keith was Sonia Cunningham's oldest child, and when he died, she turned her tragic loss into something positive. A nursing professor at UTBTSC, Sonia created an endowment that provides scholarships for students studying criminal justice at the university.
I still can't believe my good fortune that the race has now grown legs and taken on a life of its own. It really has.
The race has grown from a few hundred participants the first year to now more than 900 runners and walkers, and all the money raised goes to the scholarship endowment. They run and walk across the Brooklyn Bridge to honor Keith, a kind, passionate young man who was a police officer for the NYPD. In 2004, Keith suffered a fatal heart attack just as he reached the scene where another officer had called for help. He was only 38.
With the exception of my son's absence, it's the best thing that ever happened to me. It teaches you to do things differently, not necessarily better. I'm not going to say it's a better life now, but it's a different life in a positive way.
Sonia says Keith loved to celebrate his birthday, so she's planning to have a big cake at the race to honor her son. For UT Brownsville and Texas Southmost College, I'm Latifah Fernandez reporting for Channel 5 News.